Spider's Web, and in this video we're doing an unboxing. This is the envelope I got today. I know what is inside. The reason I know what is inside is because I've opened it and looked. It is from Kickstarter. It is Exploding Kittens. Not just that box, but we have the Not Suitable for Wimps edition. Let's have a look at these cards a little more closely, shall we? Okay, so here we go. Now, I've taken these out of the box because there is a surprise in the box which I really don't want to spoil for people. Anyone who has, what do we call it? Anyone who's backed it and hasn't got theirs yet, I don't want them watching this and spoiling the surprise. So here we have the rule sheet. It shows you how to set up, how the game works, and all sorts. It's that I would say is A4. Half of it is A4, so it's a fairly big sheet, and it's double-sided as well. And as you can see, it gives you an example turn. And that's, but what we really want to look at are the cards. So let's get one of those thingies so I don't have to use my knife, because I know sometimes I've had comments from people that are filled with shock and awe, well, shock and fright rather, because I use a knife to open decks of cards, and I cannot for the life of me get into these. Let's see if that helps. There we are. And we have an attack card. Deploy the 1000-year back her. End your turn without drawing a card. Force the next player to take 2 turns. Now we have Diffuse. Via laser pointer, put your last drawn card back into the deck. See the future. Feast upon a unicorn enchilada and gain its enchilada powers. Privately view the top 3 cards of the deck. Skip. On a portable cheetah butt. End your turn without drawing a card. Catamelon. Hack. Don't really know what that means, but never mind. Beard Cat. Exploding Kitten. Show this card immediately. Awaken the Berodactyl. End your turn without drawing a card. Force the next player to take 2 turns. Diffuse via 3 AM Flatulence. Put your last drawn card back into the deck. See the future. Deploy the Special Ops Bunnies. Privately view the top 3 cards of the deck, and so on. Let's just have a quick look and see what we have. Quickly, I'm not going through each one in great detail. These are quite nice cards. They are textured, so they slide quite well. The artwork is funny. I like some of the wording on these. This is going to be a little bit of fun, and I'm so glad it came tonight so I can take it to the club tonight. Rainbow Ralphing Cat. Taco Cat. I'm a palindrome. T-A-C-O-C-A-T, Taco Cat. Hairy Potato Cat. Rub peanut butter on your belly button and make some friends. One player must give you a card of their choice. Ooh, Shuffle. The electromagnetic Pomeranian storm rolls in from the east. Shuffle the draw pile. Oh dear, all signs point to nope. And we have some of the cards in this deck. Okay, I'm not showing all of them, as I said. So I'm going to put those to one side, and I'm going to get out Exploding Kittens. NSFW, not suitable for wimps deck. That's one thing I didn't do. I didn't show you the back of the box. There we are. It says, created by Ellen Lee, Xbox ARGs, Matthew Inman, from the otherwise known as the Oatmeal, and Shane Small from Xbox and Marvel. Exploding Kittens made Kickstarter history in early 2015 when over 219,000 people backed the project. The game is a highly strategic, kitty-powered version of Russian roulette. Players draw cards until someone draws an exploding kitten, at which point they explode, they are dead, and they are out of the game, unless that player has a diffuse card, which can diffuse the kitten being used, which can diffuse the kitten using things like laser pointers, belly rubs, and catnip sandwiches. All the other cards in the deck are used to move, mitigate, and avoid the exploding kittens. Ages 7 and up for 2 to 5 players. 2 minutes to learn, 15 minutes to play. So, a fun little game. And this one says it's for ages 30 up. Yeah, right. This looks as though it could be a lot more adult than the other. Let's see. Take this out of the box. And we have a book of rules. In fact, it's not a book, it looks like a book. That's exactly. Just a slightly different way of doing the rules from the previous one. I can't really show you the full thing on this because it's basically what it is play a card from your hand by placing it face up on top of the discard pile and following the instructions on the card, or play no cards at all. That's cool too. So you've got a draw pile and a discard pile. Some cards don't have instructions on them. These cards must be collected and played as pairs. If you play matching pairs with no instructions on them, pick another player and steal a random card from their hand. After you follow the instructions on a card or play a pair, you can play more cards. You can play as many cards as you like. Finally, end your turn by drawing a card from the draw pile into your hand and hoping it's not an exploding kitten. This is different from most other games in that you end your turn by drawing a card. Play continues clockwise around the table. You can count the cards left in the draw pile. You won't ever run out of cards in the draw pile, so there's never need to reshuffle. And there is no maximum minimum hand size. If you run out of cards in your hand, there's no special action to take. Keep playing. You'll draw at least one more card on your next turn. So, there we are. And we have, it's not 2 decks, I just split it in 2 to fit into the box. Is there anything else in the box? No, it's just a black box. So, let us try and open this without using the knife of opening. I believe there is some stickiness attached there. That's one part. Let's open the other as well. Even though these will get a shuffle before we start using them, obviously. That's stuff I really do like. So let's have a look and see if there's anything incredibly different in these. Release the torture bunnies, end your turn without playing a card. Force the next player to take 2 turns. Diffuse via spy and neuter. Put your last drawn card back in the deck. Weave an infinity boner and end forever for it is the most sacred of boners. Privately view the top 3 cards of the deck. Ooh. Play a game of whale boner tetherball. End your turn without drawing a card. Oh, this is going to be funny. Bikini cat. Cat Schrodinger. As opposed to Schrodinger's cat, obviously. Exploding kitten. Oh, we just want to have fun playing this. I think this is going to be one to play on one of our games nights. Diffuse via Maulinger, baby. Put your last drawn card back into the deck. Oh, that's not nice. Attach a butterfly to your genitals and see where it takes you in life. Oh dear Lord. Go base jumping using a pair of old lady boobs. This is going to be hilarious when we're playing this. I am looking forward to it immensely now. Oh. Yeah, this is definitely going to be one that we are playing tonight. No questions asked. So, that is it, Exploding Kittens. Probably the biggest so far Kickstarter experience ever been. And as I say, look forward to getting gameplay videos of this. We have 2 decks, so we might get a clean one and the rude one done in one night, you never know. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.